Hello everyone and welcome to another video about art stuff, and today it's gonna be some gouache thingies, and I'm just gonna swatch a bunch of these Arteza Gouache colors on my lovely watercolor paper, which is my new favorite thing. It's an art journal and it is lovely. Now I just wanted to point out what you're seeing on screen is just the back of the box, and it tells you the different transparencies and the pigments and how light fast each color is. The only one that isn't 100% light fast is the peach red. Alright, look at all the little tubes. They're so much fun to just mess around with, but I haven't painted too much with these. I just wanted to swatch them out and see what the colors look like all together and just have a great time, honestly, and show other people how they swatched out. Obviously this is upside down and I did notice that, which is insane. I cannot, why am I such a klutz? But anyways, here's just a little close-up of the tube, and you can see the plus signs indicate the light fastness and the little square indicates the transparency of it. See, they're just standard tubes. They're not really that big. I don't know, like 2 inches. I don't even honestly know what an inch is, but anyways, so they are fun little tubes, 12 milliliters in each. So there you can see the little pluses and the little squares. They come in 2 separate little trays, which are so cute. My goodness. So if you just want warm colors, or you can just mix and match and make, put your favorite colors on the one side if you want, or just get rid of anyone that you don't want. In the swatch coming up, I didn't swatch the white because white is, you can't see it. Anyway, this is my favorite journal that well, it's not a journal, but my watercolor paper. This is my favorite one. This is my second one that I've bought so far. I filled up the other one. Maybe I'll do a tour of that one, of that book. And I just want to apologize, straight up, that this gets super messy. See, I've already messed. It's insane. What the hell? But it gets super messy, and I do apologize for it. But honestly, I was being as careful as possible, but this is what happened. Oh yeah, jeez. Oh man, jeez. Get yourself together, man. Alright, so I'm not gonna talk the entire time. I'm just gonna, whenever I have something to say, I'll say it. Anyways, and I'll just put the music up. Alright. I think honestly one of my favorite things to do with art supplies is to do a swatch or test out the colors. It's literally one of my favorite things about art supplies, and why it's such a disease to keep buying more of them. Come on, stop, jeez. The one thing I did want to mention is that the color that comes out of the tube, it's not the same color that is on the sticker on the tube. The sticker and the actual color, it's not the same for all of them. I feel like a lot of them, the colors are different. So going into it, I would just kind of give you the heads up that the color on the sticker is just an indicator for what you might get, but it's not actually the color. Which is why it's super good to do stuff like this, so you can know what you're working with. Alright everyone, here it comes, the peach red. It's so misleading to call it red. It is neon freaking pink. I'm talking like rave pink. I'm talking like attack you highlighter pink. That's what it is. I think it comes off, and you can see the color of the tube, like it's not telling you what it is, but holy crap. I'm looking at it right now and it's like, holy shoot. It is neon pink. I really cannot stress that enough, how pink it is. So this is my favorite part. The cooler colors are so beautiful. I mean, just look at that ultramarine blue. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the sky blue. Not a huge fan at all. Just because it's, I don't know, it just feels out of place a little bit. But that's probably just me. In the lilac, I added a little more water to the end just to see what it will do. And you see what it does. It's not watercolor. Surprise! I think there's my other favorite color is this Viridian green. It's so beautiful. It definitely comes out a little different on the swatch than it does in real life, I think. Well, maybe it's just on camera that it looks different, but the Viridian green is definitely one of my favorites. Also, when editing this video, I tried my best not to mess with any of the colors of the image so you can get the most accurate, view of what the colors are in real life. Alright, and that's the final swatches right there. Thank you so much everybody for joining me on this swatching expedition, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye!